I am Sandhya from First BCom B, Department of Commerce, studying in KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about inequalities of income. Meaning of inequality of income. Inequality means the gross inequality of income between different sections of the society. The capitalistic group will be leading of a life, pomp, plenty and pluff, while the other group will be just toiling and mauling to make both ends meet, while there would be yet other group living under poverty, misery and helplessness, bordering to starvation and death. These different types are called as inequalities of income. Causes of inequality of income. Economic system. Any economic system with capitalistic enabling a few to own the factor of production and accumulate vast resources will eventually leads to gross inequality of income. Private property. One of the hallmarks of capitalism is the institutions of private property. The capital class is allowed to accumulate property and enjoy special privileges. This class gets the large scale share of rents, interest and profit. Rent, wages and salary when to be stable or increase at a lower rate. The law of inheritance. The transitions of wealth through this law is another practice in all capitalistic economics. Thus, the inequalities are passed on to generations. Monopoling power. In the capitalistic system, refers outcomes will be monopolies and big business. Secondly, there will be special group influencing the government to frame the policy in the favor. Tax evasion. In India, personal income tax rates are very high. The high tax rate encourages thrift and avoidance and raises a parallel economy. Regressive tax. Indirect taxes give maximum revenue to the government, but they are retrograde in nature due to the increasing dependence on the government on such taxes. Land reform. Land reform have been started to overcome inequality in land ownership. The land is excess than the marginal limit has been distributed among the tenant farmers. Pricing policy. The government should design pricing and distribution policies to reduce inequality in society. The government should provide basic facilities at a low cost to the weaker sections of society. Public sector expansion. Important causes of income inequality. Government has adopted a policy of providing major role to the public sector. Several commercial banks nationalized in 1966 to 1968. Method of reducing inequality of income. There are two methods advocated to reduce inequalities of income, namely Marxist method and fiscal policy method. Marxist method. Marxists advocate extreme steps in doing away with inequality of income. Recognitions of private property and the law of inheritance are completely dispensed with, and the wealth of capital class and multi-millionaire are confiscated wherever municipal role in by armed force. fiscal policy method. The moderate and democratic method of reducing inequalities of income is by fiscal method. This method depends on government interventions in the redistribution of purchasing from the rich to the poor. This is done by two-way process. The first way is upgrading the poor and the another way is reductions of excess income of the rich by imposing ceiling and restricting excess earnings through taxes. Conclusion. In this video, we came to know about what is inequalities of income, what is inequalities of income percentage in India, what is causes of inequalities of income, and what is methods of inequalities of income. Thank you for watching this video.